Go.
Wait, I think you turn it off.
Is it the number counting down?
Yeah.
The number's counting. It's going up. So now let's head out there.
No.
Right here, get that. Bang! I didn't hit the wall, I didn't hit you. I'll meet Aiden, follow me. This way.
Yeah.
Up this way. Bang! Oh, shit. Fuck, it's fucking out of gas. Aiden, come with me. I need the gas in your bag. I need the gas in your bag. Come on. Yeah, fuck it. Get the shotgun out of my bag. Get it. Get it. Is it good? Oh shit. Sorry, dude, you alright? Fuck. Fuck it. Well, this sucks. Well, I'm hit. Yeah, right? Hey, buddy. Oh, fuck. You got it right. Hey, in there. Bang! Shit. Hey, camera. No, watch out. Yeah, I know. I can't do shit with this. Okay, there we go. I can't do shit with this. This is the worst of it. I hit him? His hand up? Holy fuck. I can't do shit. There I am. No, he didn't. My guns are around the corner. He didn't see me. Yeah, he's right in there. You can hear him. If he doesn't go away. I had the same exact lock, except mine broke.
Yeah, I still got like 2 of these.
WE, right?
Yeah.
Red light.
Yes, I know.
Peter, Sonny, bang!
I hit him.
Bounce! There's your team. It's right out here. I got you guys. Get out of here.
You fucking shit, okay. And that Peter on video.
Alright, well, I'll definitely name this video Cheaters. I'll call it because I'm a nice guy.
It's happened so much today. There's so much cheaters today. It's ridiculous.
But man, yo, if I was here on a Thursday, no bang bang, oh my god. I would have put my gun on 3 round first.
Well, I can't do shit with this.
Yo, why don't you try to take the ball straight at kid?
Here. Oh. What?
You go my head, like right there.
I can see it. I can see it. Bang. Another 2. The gun wasn't even pointed at me. I know, right? They can get someone with a shit shotgun. Ooh.
I remember when I got my first squad.
I'm out of CO2.
I've gotten a quad knife kill. Oh, sorry. Fuck. Knife kill. My knife's gone. Fuck. Well, my knife's gone. Fuck that.
What, you stole your knife?
No, it's gone. I lost it.
Oh, that sucks.
I'll find it. Bang.